My brother Bailey and I are going to Arkansas, USA. After our parents decided to divorce, they put us on a train to go live with our grandmother. Our grandmother has a store in stamps. Dad had told me all about it.
Maya, you will be safe there, and you will be saved from displacement.
Displacement. This was the first time I had heard that word. I feel like it means being far away from family. When we got to Stamps, Grandmother Annie greeted us very warmly. She took us home and took great care of us. I loved the sweets in my grandmother's shop, and I always enjoyed eating them. One day, my teeth began to ache, and my grandmother took me to the city to get treated by Dr. Lincoln, but the dentist said,
I do not do anything for black people.
My grandmother asked him to reconsider, but the dentist told her,
My immediate policy is that I would rather put my hand in the mouth of a dog than a black person.
Grandmother became very angry with the dentist and called him a racist. I always think to myself, why do whites treat us so badly? Because our skin color is darker than theirs?